So I should have done something a little earlier that I kind of forgot I wanted to do. When I was extracting this bolt, I was using the depth of the drill bit on the empty holes, and I could tell that there was stuff down in the holes. You know, probably wood chips or, you know, whatnot. And I wanted to blow those out. And I should have done that before I oiled it, because I'm going to blow it out and I'm going to get all that crud everywhere, but we'll just wipe it out afterwards. But so I'm just using this little file pick to break up the crud that's in those holes. And this is probably going to make a big mess, I think. But let's go ahead and see what we can see if I can get that stuff out of there. Probably couldn't see it, but there was a lot of crap coming out. It was hitting my arms and hitting my face and whatnot. So hopefully it all took off and didn't end up back on here, but we'll just kind of wipe it. I don't want any of that crud on my bearings. Alright, well, we'll continue. Okay, well, there's the tailstock all put together, ready to go. And let's just do the tool rest. Not that this only has like 3-4 parts to it, so. Okay, well, there it is, guys. The only thing I got left is my oil cups on the headstock and the motor, and start it up, and hopefully, if everything goes well, we'll be up and running. The only thing I haven't really done is shown you the blocks underneath. So where like that bolt goes down through, it protrudes probably 8-10 inches below my table here, so I'll block it up. Then I've got my different clamps and whatnot, wing nuts, handles, things of that nature. So we'll block it, washers, whatever we need, and so we can tighten everything down, make it easy and quick to make whatever adjustments we need to make while we're going. So yeah, pretty exciting, pretty close. So I guess the next thing I'll probably the motor assembly. So we'll see you soon. Bye.